Right, now we are going to look at a couple of objects and decide together what will we use to measure these objects. Are we going to use grams or kilograms? So let's see if you and I choose the same option. What am I going to use weighing a packet of crayons? If I think of a pack of crayons, I think it's quite light. So I will choose grams. Correct. Well done. Now it's your turn. For a bag of potatoes, what would you use? Grams or kilograms? If you chose grams, that is not correct. Potatoes are quite heavy. And when we buy potatoes, we buy more than 1 kilogram at a time. So we will weigh our potatoes using kilogram. Correct. And well done. Next one, a pencil. Quickly tell me, what do you think we will use to weigh a pencil? Gram or kilograms? Well done. We will weigh a pencil in grams. Next one, a brick. Now I think a brick is quite heavy. So for our heavier objects, we will use, well done, a kilogram to weigh our brick with. Next one, a packed suitcase. When you go on holiday and pack a suitcase, what do we normally weigh a suitcase in grams or in kilograms? Well done, in kilograms. And then our final one is a tennis ball. What will we use to weigh our tennis ball with? Grams or will we weigh it with kilograms? Now, a tennis ball is quite light, so we will choose, what do you think? Well done, grams to weigh our tennis ball.